The lock I have today is a Lockwood 334C45. I bought two of these from a seller on eBay. I couldn't help myself after I got my first one. I had to have at least one more, but I was able to get two for not too bad of a price. The locks were really a good deal, but shipping was a arm and a leg. But this one it's a 7 on the security rating and then 4 on corrosion resistance, which is high to maximum security for all applications, including commercial and industrial. So we're gonna try to get it picked. I did try to get this opened and picked for the first time on camera, but for some reason, this will be take 2, by the way, but for some reason I couldn't get a pick to go past the 3rd pin, and then I had fun trying to get the key to go in past the 3rd pin, but eventually it went, and now I think we're good. But this is the bitting on it. Not bad, but not great either. I'm going to be using this pick. If any of you guys know where you've seen this pick, write it in the comments. But this is what we're going to be using, and a piece of music wire for the tension tool. And let's see if we can get it open on the second go around. Sorry about that. See, that's what was happening last time, but I couldn't get the pick in there at all. I had to release tension and then kind of lift the pins up and then apply tension and try again. So just feather a little bit, make sure nothing's overset already. Here's pin 2. Well, there goes everything it sounded like. See, here we go. I think we got pin 5 set. There's pin 1, 2. I think I got it set, overset, and then release tension a little bit, and I think it dropped back into place. I thought I had it there. Oh, there we go. I was thinking that this pick would be the wrong pick for the job since it has kind of a thick shaft on there, but I thought it'd be a cool pick to, or it'd be pretty cool to use this pick on this lock. And compared to the other one, where's that? There it is. That's what it looks like. So pretty cool. They look real nice next to that one in my collection. The other one I think I might actually get rid of it or trade it to somebody, I don't know. But I figured I'd get 2 of them and save on shipping, and maybe somebody else might benefit from it. And it's just a Phillips screw down a shackle hole, and got a little retainer for the core. Alright, and looks like the pin to keep it key retaining. Sorry, I don't know how I always forget to do that. Alright, so rotate it a little bit more. Grab a follower. And out they come. It's got some new lock schmoo on there. Nothing inside the core. Got some anti-drill pins there. I was afraid that they might not want to come out with that grease being brand new. So there's pin 1, standard, 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 standard. Oh, come on out, standard. Oh. Yep. She is a greasy one. Put that back in there. 1 second while I arrange these. And then I imagine what it felt like was the same as the other all shallow Lockwood shallow spools. Yep, that's it. Alright, so there we have it. So I can pick it up without making a mess. Alright, that is the Lockwood 334C45. Thank you guys for watching, and don't do anything I wouldn't do.